All right, so for the final part of this, so I was looking at different things about the cultural group um, and what some considerations that could affect like academic success. One of the things that I found that just like when I talking to students here for Mexico, it says their most popular sport in Mexico is football, which is soccer, but in the U.S., football is like football, not soccer. So I could see like how there could be a little bit of a language barrier, you know, just talking about a sport. And I don't know a whole lot about soccer, but I do know a lot about football. So I just thought that would be an interesting comparison of the same word having two different meanings. Also, Mexico, it says here that that the largest source of immigration to the United States is from Mexico. I also kind of learned and seen from the Spanish language, and from what I know a little bit, that their adjectives come after their noun. So, like here, if we would say, like, a cute dog, they would say it like in their language, like dog cute. So it would be backwards to myself. So I could see how that also might inhibit a little bit when they are learning English, because they will want to switch those like two different words around. So it would just be a way to learn the new language. I also was kind of reading a little bit on the Spanish alphabet, how pronunciations are going to be different, of course, and how they also have their own rules of their language. Like we always have like I before E, except after Z. They have the same type of different rules that happens for them, like agua, A or O at the beginning of the word or after an M. So they will just have to like learn the different types of rules of language when it comes to learning English. As for China, let's see. That doesn't really have what I was looking. I mean, and like as of like Chinese language, I do not have really any idea on how that language works. Let's see if I can get into. See, in Chinese, they have even different dialects depending on where exactly they're from. So they have, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different dialects of Chinese. I will just click on one. So this gives information on the different ways that Chinese can be written, and their vowels and rides, like how they sound. Here's an example of a text. So, I mean, each different language is going to have their own different phonology, syntax, and it's just going to take time and practice on how to then incorporate what they know already and into a new language as of English.